guys, welcome back to Vlogmas, and today is gonna be super fun because it is Friendsmas and everybody's here. Yay. All the cute little elves. Ah, look at the cute little elf over there. So cute. And then the big elf over here. So yeah, we have lots of stories for you, lots of mishaps, and lots of food. So get ready.
Oh, hey. Oh. Hey.
Do you want to tell the vlog what's in here?
Chocolate.
No shit.
Many types of milks.
Put it on you, baby.
It's not like, you know, what is it?
Hey!
Oh, shit.
Go ahead.
What? No, I don't want to do that.
Okay, so what's in the hot chocolate is 1 can of condensed milk. What else? Chocolate chips, the semi-sweet ones.
So, yeah, semi-sweet chocolate chips. 3 cups of whole milk.
3 cups of whole milk.
3 cups of 2% milk.
3 cups of 2% milk.
And then...
The whipping cream?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, heavy
whipping cream. 1.5 cups of it.
Yes.
I'm gonna put the information down below so that you actually can write it down and make it for yourself. Okay, and then we have been making this for about 65 years.
It's an old-time family recipe.
Yes, it's very old-time recipe.
Yeah.
It's an old-time recipe. Tales as old as time. Yes?
No.
No? Okay. Well, that's fine. And I'll put the recipe of the actual original recipe like down below.
From my family to yours.
It's not from his family, but happy Friendsmas. Yes, happy Friendsmas.
Yes.
Before and
There
after.
you go.
Before?
So they do
Ooh.
wreaths out. Oh,
Yeah. And go
So
for
she
it.
trapped me today.
I did.
I was living life in my room, playing some Rocket League. It was good times. So I was in the zone, and I see her come in with a spoonful of something. She's walking all fast to me. She's like, "Here," and she just stuffs it in my mouth. I'm like, "Oh, what?"
Almost choked.
And I'm like, "It tasted super weird." And she's like, "Well, it tastes good." And it just slides down the back of my throat. I'm like, "What the fuck was this?"
What's that?
And she's like, "Oh, this was potatoes." I was like, "It was a smoothie. That's what it is." Like, well, I overcooked the potatoes. And she's angry at me
I was angry at him.
because she overcooked the potatoes.
Yes.
You gave me a mayonnaise smoothie and you're mad at me. It's my fault.
Yes.
All I was doing was in my room chilling.
I wasn't
Right.
chilling.
Right.
You came over here to stuff mayonnaise smoothie down my throat.
And I get mad about it.
A tear was coming down my eye. I said, "It's good." But it wasn't good. No, hot mayonnaise is never good. So,
It was too good to eat.
huh?
It was too good to eat.
Too good to eat. Yeah.
Now tell them the story about the too good to eat one.
Oh my God. No. That's for another time.
You sure? Let's vote on it. No, we're gonna vote.
Okay.
No, you're fine. That's totally fine. This is the mashed potato, aka potato salad.
Go, serve yourself.
I know Alice.
Wait, hold on.
She's so rude. You have to watch out. She's so
Do it again, do it again.
Okay, ready? Count it. Say boo. You want to do? There you go. Double boo.
Nice. Good job. That's so funny. You going in.
Can't be the first time. You can't. It's not. It really isn't.
Oh, yeah.
You want to get some better quality?
Ooh, yeah. Right?
Let me know.
Ready with this.
I
with
know.
The icing.
That is like what you achieve, right?
Sir.
The drip.
Yes.
The drip.
Yes.
That is
Good
fantastic.
job.
Solid glaze.
Solid.
Solid glaze.
Yeah.
Solid glaze, bro.
You
Solid
have a
glaze.
career in pastry.
Should we add some adobo?
Absolutely.
Adobo?
Oh, no. We're next time.
Beef,
That's-
pork, chicken, fish.
Everything.
Cinnamon rolls? Yes. It's very a la Puerto Rican of you.
Oh,
Alexa,
Yes, please.
play Baby It's Cold Outside.
no, I'm offended.
It hurt.
It's cold outside.
You ready? Look, you put it on, put it on. Put it on.
This is comfortable. She knows the feeling.
It's Santa's
Oh,
hat.
I could go with this one.
There you go.
Oh, so cute. You see yourself? You're so silly. Aw, cute. So cute. Now come here and give DJ a kiss.
There's plenty of time. It's like I can ask her.
Come.
Take care of that.
Give me a kiss.
Guys already?
Give me a hug.
It's like this point.
Oh my god, I'm falling. That's okay.
We have to.
Okay, so now we're gonna play White Elephant, which anybody wants to tell the rules of White Elephant?
Tell, you mean explain?
Yes. Go ahead.
I don't know how that works.
Oh, you don't?
There's numbers.
Uh-huh.
You pick a number. The first person goes twice.
Right.
The gift could be stolen twice.
Okay.
That's all I know.
That's pretty much it.
Okay, so the first person goes twice.
Yes, the first person goes twice, right.
They take a present at the end.
Oh, I see
And
what you're saying.
it can only be stolen 3 times.
But with our group, only once.
Okay, because it's such a small number. Okay, so that sounds good.
Number one.
Number 1 gets to pick twice.
Okay.
When it's our turn, I'll let you.
At the end.
At the end, right.
Yeah.
Okay. So I pick now. You
Yes.
pick now.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Not too big, not too small.
Right on the side. Let's see.
There's a lot of tape on that.
You want to get her?
Oh, it's a box. You got a box.
You got a bug.
Might need some sizzle.
Yes,
Second.
he's on the way.
Whoa.
Here's a blade.
Careful. That's sharp.
You joke.
You joke.
Right. Yeah.
It's like butter, yeah.
It does. No, no.
Oh.
I didn't even have to touch that. It was right on.
It knew.
Tape got scared.
Yeah. Oh, what is it? Wow.
Open it.
This is a goodie box.
Oh, that is cool.
That is star-studded box. That
Yes.
I mean, I hate no one wants this.
No, no.
Nobody wants this at all.
I'm going to.
You can't have the big blue one. Oh my
Yeah, okay, you're right. Oh, the big one.
Go for it.
Come help me, come help me, please.
Here, give me the Not this one.
This one.
No, help TT.
Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness.
It's so big.
Open it. Okay. Can I get?
Be careful, Ella.
Just stand back, baby. There you go. Stand right here. There you go. Can you say cheese? Right here. Good job.
You want to open it, Freddie?
I'm just saying.
So then-
Thank you.
That's right.
Yeah. There you go. Good job.
Oh, what is that? Oh,
Toilet paper.
yeah. What exactly is this?
It's a garbage can.
Wait a minute. Oh, sorry. I'm not talking to you. I was talking to the box. Ugh. What the hell
Maybe
is
don't
this?
break it, please. You wanna trade it?
What is it? A squatty potty?
Yeah. That was actually good for you.
Oh yeah, that would be good for me. Yay! Cool, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's open it. There we go.
Go ahead.
Go for it.
Ooh.
Is that a toaster?
Ooh.
What is that?
Oh, are you so excited?
Ooh.
What is it?
You can make a hot dog bun and toast all your hot dogs.
That's so useful.
Oh wow.
Open it, Tio. Open it.
Open it,
Who
Theo.
doesn't need that? What do
Theo, open it.
Can I open
She
it?
needs to see it, I guess.
Okay. Elisa knows she's Santa.
Oh.
Popcorn and a movie.
Dinner does
Nice.
not consist of popcorn.
It does in America.
America.
You
Ooh.
That's the last one. I'm
So-
you know what? You keep that, okay? I'm
Yeah.
gonna put this
That's your gift.
right here.
Go somewhere with that.
Give me Star Wars.
Oh.
Oh.
This or opening all the presents.
Okay. I am going to
Hey!
take this. I'm taking it.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cruz, the bun.
Toasted bun.
With the question mark.
I can't guarantee what's in here. Don't open it. Let Freddie decide first.
Why not? Just
Yeah.
Here, wait, can I take a bow?
I can take a bow.
Yes.
Okay.
Part of the gift.
There you go.
Here we go.
Ella, help him. He
Yeah,
needs
can't
help.
do it.
Help him. Help him.
There you go. Oh.
Freddie did it actually.
Oh, Freddie did.
Here.
Oh, what is that?
What is
What is it?
Creepy. I told you she would remember.
I
I was
know.
like, the only person who's gonna remember is gonna be Rebecca. Guaranteed.
Yeah. Who wants the one with a whole bunch of whipped cream?
Me.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How good is the hot chocolate?
Delicious.
Yeah.
Five out of 5 stars.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
so good.
So good. No, seriously, it's good.
It's good.
No, and,
So how many pieces?
The real MVP.
The real MVP right there, guys.
4.
You guys don't know, that's a squat
Pieces.
box.
Good job.
Also known as a squatty.
Body.
yeah. Oh, baby, cheers.
I didn't know my parents' names until I was like 12.
Right, I don't think I knew until.
They were mom and dad.
Yeah.
Now kiss me.
knows his name because I call him Tony. When he calls me, he goes, hey.
Does she know your name is Sam?
Yeah, she does now. What's my name?
Hey guys, so everybody has left and we're just kind of chilling here. I'm actually uploading, I'm tired, uploading my Vlogmas day 15 and I'm gonna be working on Vlogmas day 16 because today was a pretty eventful, oh my god, I can't speak, eventful and exciting day because we did Friendsmas for the first time and it was awesome. It was a success. It was amazing. Successful other than the mashed potatoes. Well, they weren't supposed to be mashed potatoes. They were supposed to be potato salad, but I cooked them too long so they became mashed potatoes. This is the whole thing. You'll see it in the video. Next, in the next video. Oh my god. Okay, well I obviously need to go to sleep, so I'm ending the vlog here. So I hope that you enjoyed my Vlogmas for Friendsmas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!